Whoa, whoops. My bad. 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1. The Hot Ones cars, Q-Case version. They came out with 6 of them. This is the pink Mustang Mach 1. Look at that. That is some solid pink going on there, Charlie. Solid metal base as well as frame. Yep. Look at those wheels. Fine, oh fine. Those are the yellow special, the Hot Ones originals style wheels. They're not the black walls. They're the yellow. The Speedy P walls. The yellow walls. Okay. Am I missing something else? And look at that tempo, that orange and yellow tempo. Not bad. I'll take it. I already got it. I shouldn't say anything else, 'cause I'm getting ready to go.